Good morning, guys. This morning I am taking it up a notch and I'm cooking on the Blackstone. I've only cooked on it a couple of times. So let's see how I did. My husband wanted to cook this breakfast this morning and he's still asleep and I'm hungry. I'm gonna use some tater tots. I have some sausage and he wants to smash them down to make them real thin. This is the first little pancake thing I did. It actually tastes so good I can taste it on my fingers. Start smashing these things down. Hopefully it turns out